Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check. Is my sounds coming okay? By typing a 1 for me, please. Okay, let me know if my sound and screen is okay before we start. Okay. Okay, wait a second. I think there is a spam message in our telegrams, right? So just want to delete that first. Okay, nowadays plenty of scammer so better be safe. Okay. Alright, so I think someone posted MBSB apa jadi MBSB jatuh MBSB. Okay, let's see how Yeah, actually the closing on last Friday I think is okay. Okay lah. Ayo, now this one is only drop 2-3% but belum closing lagi mah. Okay, for those that who following MBSB lah. Personally, I already in MBSB. My entry is around 90 cents if I'm mistaken. Yeah, that was before the dividends because after dividend the price adjusted now. Okay, so I think after the dividend it kind of like break even right now. So for me it's still boleh lah. Of course, right now it actually dropped. Yes, it is, but drop with low volume currently. So I think that's overall still pretty fine for me. Okay, pretty fine for me. So okay, now before I proceed further, I just want to do a quick disclaimer over here. I'm here not to suggest any things to buy or sell. I'm not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to trade any stock based on our discussion in this live session here, make sure you got your own trading plan. Okay. So now let's go into some stocks that actually we do follow regularly in our Telegram, including the one that I posted this morning. Some of the pullbacks stocks. Okay, I think some of them if let's say you didn't follow or before you want to enter it breaks up already, then you just remove it. Okay, like one of the example GDB. Okay, I think they come with a good news okay, another reasons why I think they gave up this morning because of the good news. Okay, but like I said, normally gave up. I don't like to chase most of the time. Okay, especially when it form a shooting star. But few things that actually you can do. Okay, like for example, like Egmore the stock actually posted this morning also, right? So it gets up. Okay, sometimes yes, it will pull back. Okay, now again, this is a very crucial thing to look into. So few things you want to monitor is that it have to come with a narrow spread bar with low volume. So to ensure that here it tested around the S2 level, so which is the previous resistance, then chances for them to rebound is higher. Okay, I think previously we saw something like, if I'm mistaken, DNEX also having that. Okay, or some of the 8 counters like I think Lei Hong all this also having that also. So yeah, there's a few things that actually you can watch out. Now the other one is MBSB. I posted also. This is also coming with the pullback setups. A nice hammer closing on last Friday after the dividends. Okay, but again, today it dropped. Okay, but for me, as long as the stable S1, it's still fine. Okay, of course, this morning here, jatuh bila, but I cannot tell really volume currently is low or high because of now it's the first trading hour, the first 30 minutes of today's 24th of May. All right, but for me, okay lah, nothing to be worried because even though on Friday after the dividends announcements, right, the price actually dropped. Okay, and some of the users also text me said, "Hey, it's like this one drop." But I look into the chart, I feel okay because of dividend announcement. So normally it's like that but towards the closing, they make a nice closing. Towards the end of the day, they make a nice closing. So for me, yeah, boleh lah. So let's see how it goes at today. If we are following these trades, I can't guarantee whether it can goes up or not. I'm not the operator itself. But as one is here, okay, use the trading plan built in the XIFU apps there. You can actually monitor where is the potential so-called support and resistance. Okay, now let's look into Egmore. Definitely, among all this is one of the stocks that actually I kind of like keen and interested. Okay, of course, haven't really jalan straight away. Okay, which is things I look into as well because I haven't entered yet. Okay, so this is the current S1. Okay, exactly at the previous resistance, not the support. I think current price actually is a pretty good deal. Okay, again, I'm not doing buy and sell call, but just that personally I like it. Okay, so for those that who are following GDB, okay, similar things. Okay, it gaps up. I think this one gaps up also due to the high vol, due to the good news with SNS network, if I'm not mistaken, right? So GDB may form the same things. Okay, it goes up, pullbacks, okay, and then here slowly you look for strength signal. Okay, strength signal. So that's why if let's say I miss GDB, no need to be so rushed. I want to re-enter back again. Okay, so I think there's still some opportunity coming in later on. All right. So the other one is Anju. Okay, last week still suddenly moved, and some of them actually make a nice pullbacks, including Anju as well. Okay, yeah, but this one straight away go to resistance, very close to resistance. Okay, so again, same things like what I'm expecting for ECMO. Okay, I want to see some retest somewhere around here again. Okay, currently I think is the set. I think is okay, but just that risk to reward in terms of risk to reward is not that favor to me. Okay, so that's why maybe I want to watch out again to see anything like this or not. Okay, 1 to 5 area I think would be nice to watch out and monitor too. All right. So for those that who are here with me, appreciate can hit the like buttons for me. Okay, and let me know is my sound and screen's coming okay. I hope it's okay. I didn't see any comment, so which means it's okay. My screen and sound. Okay, so there is Anju. Okay, last one, Renhill, also one of the stocks that I'll focus today. Today, probably I'll focus to ECMO and Renhill. Okay, so I think ECMO I already share already. I think overall is a pretty good setup. Okay, Renhill, the other hand is that they are actually trying the 40 MA. Okay, of course, pullback yet to complete. Okay, this one pullback yet to complete. Okay, so that few things you can do. Okay, or you can actually wait for pullback complete if you want to. Okay, like what happens to ECMO, Anju. Okay, or you can buy during the pullback stage. Okay, so of course sometimes we never know where it will end. Okay, where the pullback will end. Okay, sometimes it will still try lower. Okay, maybe to this previous support area, which is very close, I think. All right. So hopefully we'll see some strength signal coming in from this area here. All right. So overall, ECMO, I feel still bullish because here is a big reaccumulation with the shakeout. Push, first pullback. Okay, this one looks like a so-called losing a bit of momentum. Okay, this one losing a bit more. So that's why I expect them maybe will sideways get up. Okay, before they try to break another resistance later on. All right, so probably expect a side movement for at least 1 month plus somewhere in between. So okay, so there is Ren Hill. Okay, any stock that I missed out? Okay, some other stocks that last week. Okay, we do talk about Binacom. Okay, last week in the groups, but I think they do a very strong closing. Okay, last Friday. Okay, today drop. Okay, good sign. Okay, but again, watch out for low volume. Okay, I think the volume slowly building up in this area here. Looks like uh, again, not doing any buy call, but looks like they will continue to change all two next. Okay, looks like they will continue to change all two next. Okay. I kind of like the volume, okay, in this kind of accumulations there. Okay, so there is Binacom. Any others? Okay, Infotech, I think jalan Infotech sudah jalan already. Okay, so this one also first pullback completes. Okay, sideway, first pullback complete. Today also I'm not sure. Okay, because market looks like today morning still plenty of red color. Okay, plenty of stock also drop this morning. So I'm not sure whether this week will be remain of pullback weeks or not. If yes, I think Infotech this area here can really can watch out again, right? So this kind of pullback I think is healthy and good. Okay, for overall market. Okay, you don't want markets to always up without any pullback or resting in the market. So currently, I think is a good markets to watch out for. Okay, some of the potential low risk opportunities. Okay, I think Coraza still offering some kind of low risk entry. Again, no damn buy call, but just that overall this kind of stuff I kind of quite like it. Okay, holding around 40 MAs already. The other one is Coraza. JHM. Okay, there are few counters. Like I said, sometimes I cannot follow all, but you like it, you just put it on watch list. Okay, so I think Coraza as well. Okay, around 40 MA, 20 MA areas. The other one is SSF, but I think SSF continue to goes up higher. Okay, pullback completed. Okay, this is the area that like Infotech is doing right now. Probably Ren Hill somewhere around this area. Okay, so again doing a pullback right now for SSF. Okay, pullback can watch out too. Okay, now against yes, Ruku looking into call point. Okay, yes, call point as well. Let's review call point. Friday pretty good as well, not too bad. Okay, like I said, still holding half. I yet to top up. Okay, today drop a bit. Today again a bit difficult to tell the volume because now it's still early, but looking good so far. Personally for me, I'm still holding half and I'm looking for top up. Okay, actually, so maybe next, not sure the next 20 MA probably I will top up Okay, not rush because this is a big shooting star so kind of like telling me that maybe no need to be so rush. Okay, still got time. Okay, now the other one is Bangta. I think Bangta also today dropped a little bit lower. Okay, but I think the pullback is almost there already. Okay, so today dropped 4%. Okay, I'm not sure towards the end of the day will form a nice spring or not, or nice hammer. If let's say nice hammer like this will be nice. Okay, and hammer like this will be nice. Okay, but so far still early still early. Like MBSB also, right? Last Friday it dropped, but in the end it shoot back up from a hammer. Okay, so this one again we expect a hammer over here. All right, so let's say nice of lots of healthy pullbacks. Okay, in the market. Okay, it's just that you want to monitor. Okay, and then you need to know what kind of so-called the formation. Okay, need to form. Okay, in this stage over here, right? So Wangtel, nothing much change. Okay, for me, yes, almost holding almost hit the 20 ms already. The other one is Zantat, also pretty good. Okay, Zantat around 40 MA, previous support area. Okay, for me, as long as don't break this area, I think it's fine. Okay, this or maybe you can straight away use the S1 area because of the previous white candle here. All right, against a few things. Okay, low volume, spread bar or hammer. Okay, this area here will provide a good support. Okay, now the other one is Panda. Okay, I look into JCY. Panda. Okay, let me know any other stocks. Okay, I'll look into JCY as well. Just want to finish up some of the stocks that we usually look into. This one also nice pullback. Okay, breakout, first pullback, second pullback. Okay, usually third pullback I'll try to avoid but second pullback I think still boleh lagi lah. Okay, so S1 around here, support one. Okay, let me erase. This is the support one, very close right now, or maybe you can use the support two area. Okay, so again, try to use the trading plan. Okay, from X chart here from XIFU apps to give you like the idea. Okay, where is the area that you should focus. Okay, whenever you do any trade or investment. Okay, so okay, Cover Panda. Okay, now let's look into something else. Kobe also I've been holding already since I think last 1-2 weeks ago. Okay, today drop. Okay, normal today drop but I think the sell is still there. Okay, nothing changed actually. Okay, Kobe Opstar. Opstar a bit weakening already. Okay, but okay, as long as a big gap, I will still hold. Okay, a bit disappointed. Okay, I thought this one actually will make a follow through already, but it didn't. So a bit disappointing. Okay, but overall I think still okay as long as there's still big gaps, but just probably need to hold for one. Okay, now let's go into glove. Glove also, slightly a bit disappointing also. Okay, I thought glove will help to push up the glove market, but it didn't. Okay, it looks like it's got some profit taking happening over here, but at the same time they didn't show any further weakness. Okay, actually I tried to sell my K plus the other day, but I didn't manage to match my Q. Okay, so yeah, I still hold for a while. Let's see how it goes. Because I checked like Hata, Kosan, yes, even though they cannot make a follow through, but looks like they are still holding. Okay, maybe like this sometimes like this and then shoot up. Okay, we test several times nearby to support. Okay, so probably I will give them some time, 1 month plus. Hopefully, you have something. So, okay, less than the K plus. Okay no much changes Tapi I review Okay, so QES. Okay, look at the QES SCG. Okay, and then LFE. Okay, so I go to your stocks before I go to some of the pullback stocks. Okay, let's look into JCY first. Okay, so far JCY Notion still crazy. Okay, still going up. All right. In fact, I think JCY actually have some pullback completes patterns. Okay, so again, if you want to, and I'm not sure, Cindy, you're looking for entry or exit right now. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, but if you are looking for entry right now, of course, first thing you need to look into is that the risk is slightly a bit high right now. Okay, definitely. Okay, very important to watch out where's the stop loss. Okay, I will use this as one. I'm looking for exit. Looking for exit. Okay, this is just my own personal opinion. Doesn't mean you have to apply. If let's say this useful for you, you do it. Okay, so normally what I do is that hopefully enter somewhere around here. All right, so let's say enter somewhere around here. I believe this one already make a good money already. So for me, is that I always look into resistance. Okay, if let's say no resistance, anything above 10%, right? This one definitely more than 10%. So you lock some profit. Okay, I will always lock 30% to 50% of my holding. Okay, I lock some first. At least I protect myself. Okay, if you have entered but haven't really locked profits previously, then you lock some first. Okay, the next thing is that you watch out for shooting star with high volume. Okay, shooting star with high volume, you can use hourly chart, you can use daily chart. Okay, so for example here, okay, we got some high volume shooting star, but price still goes up. Okay, but this is also a good sign to tell us that maybe the trend will change a little bit. Okay, or maybe got some profit taking and then you want to protect yourself again, right? Right now, I don't see any major weakness at the top. Okay, if you plan to hold, if your entry price still good, plan to hold, I think, yeah, okay. Right, but again, as always, try to protect a little bit. Market is unpredictable one. Okay, this few months is good doesn't mean next few months is good. I hope it's good until end of the year. But sometimes markets, are very unpredictable. I still remember like early this year, lots of people out from the market already because market have been bearish for I think 2 years, right? But this year suddenly I think March or April suddenly booms, right? So bullish. Okay, so bullish. Lucky I still around, so I can write a little bit some other counters. Okay, welcome Cindy. But I know lots of my friends they're actually out for markets already. Of course, this few week they jump back in because of the bullish market. Okay, now let's do QES. QES overall still fine. Okay, still riding along with 20 MA with a pullback, but just I think the main resistance is very close. Yeah, previously here. Okay, we got one main resistance, and here also a little bit of so-called selling coming in. Okay, but luckily the volume is even though it's high but consider reducing here is higher. Okay, here somehow reduce a little bit, right? A bit similar appears like our tech. Okay, maybe has some challenges to cross, but overall setup was still good. Okay, just that I cannot really so-called guarantee you it will like shoot up directly or maybe here sometimes make a wash shoot up. Okay, I think previously our tech macam ni lah, they shake out then they shoot up. Okay, I think few months ago our tech, you can check that out. Okay, the other one is SCGBHD. This one also going up in a straight line. This one a bit change of trend already. This one a bit change of trend already. Not to say change of trend, but it's to probably the direction will change a little bit, or maybe a deep pullback is coming. Okay, so again, if you again not doing any buy sell call, if you are entering this kind of trades, okay, I think it's good to lock some profit. Okay, now there are a few things to look into here. Okay, actually there are a couple of signs. Okay, first of all, not to say climatic volume, but high volume. Okay, every time when the high volume appeared, there's a chance for the trend to change. Okay, it can apply in both uptrend and downtrend. All right. So for example, just now like Binacom I share, right? Why the reason why I say probably it goes up. That's why I shared last week, right? Because of the high volume building from the bottom. Okay, when the stock goes down, high volume, chances for them to sideways goes up is higher. So this one, the stock price obviously going up. Okay, and then we got some volume happening at the top. So maybe it will sideways or maybe it will drop. Okay, drop I'm not sure. I cannot tell yet because it's still very early. But maybe it will make a deeper pullbacks. Okay, so that's why whenever you see this kind of high volume candles, price cannot break. Okay, and it drop lower. Okay, maybe this candle here. yeah, it's good to lock some profit, or maybe you want to pay attention very closely. Any others so-called weaknesses coming on? Okay, but major weakness, no. Okay, Tommy, not sure. You're looking for entry exit, or probably you already entered already previously. Past few months ago, you make a good profits. Right now, you are looking for long term. Long term, I don't think it's an issue, but pullback is expected lah. Pullback like for example this period here, a deeper one. Okay, notice here, right? Okay, let me just sorry somewhere around here, somewhere around here. Okay, so here higher volume. Okay, sometimes it will make a deeper one. Okay, or maybe it touch 20 MA or somewhere like this higher volume, deep. Okay, before it push back. Okay, so if you're looking for entry, I think you use the 20 MA area lah. Okay, 20 MA areas as your potential low risk opportunity. Or maybe easy one is that you calculate your risk to reward at least. Okay, risk to reward ratio lah. Okay, not only risk to reward ratio, but sometimes you have to check. Okay, here to resistance how much. Sometimes because of the price very close with support one, that's why the risk to reward ratio is pretty good. But the range is too narrow. Okay, to resistance only 3%, sometimes also not worth it to take it. All right, but anyway, what I'm trying to say right now is that there's no major weakness at the top. Okay, now is that I want to see whether it can retest successfully or not on 20 MA. If not, it goes to 40 MA. This area we look for hammer. Okay, we look for hammer or COC. Okay, we look for these two things. Hey, DM coming DM also looks very good. IGM also. Okay, probably I go for a few of your stock. RFE, last one before I go into my pullback alerts. Actually looking to go back in after a pullback. Okay. Now doing pullback. But just that still very early. The pullback still very early. So still cannot tell whether the pullback is complete or not. Okay, but if you are things that if you think that your stop loss, your entry is less than 8%, sometimes okay lah. Like ECMO also counters like okay, probably let me share with you lah. Something like this JCY or other counter I cannot recall. Okay, Infotech lah, for example. So Infotech also here doing pullback. Okay, so actually I was waiting for them to touch 20 MA, but Friday closing suddenly shoot up 5-6%. Okay, yeah, sometimes this kind of things will happen, right? But this is a good confirmation telling me that the pullback is complete somewhere around here. Okay, probably I can looking for high entry opportunities. Okay, because it's safer right now. Okay, but if you don't like that, you can actually try to enter first, or no need to wait for the pullback complete. But at least okay, where's your stop loss? Like for example here, this is my S2, my main support, right? The red color line. So if I enter here, drop here, okay, how much my risk? Okay, what is the risk that I'm taking? Okay, so this one at least you need to know. Okay, LFE. Okay, last one before I go to my pullback alerts. Okay, I feel also a bit similar like those ECMO, okay, because they are actually gaps. Two hammer, okay, I think it's nice. Okay, so currently still no momentum yet, but again, at the same time, I don't see any major weakness. Maybe here, sideways, touch the 20 MA before they will go again. Okay, so as long as they are trading above the gaps area, I think it's good. Okay, below gaps, then maybe you need to be slightly extra careful. Okay, on RFE. All right. Okay, so for my remaining of my time, probably I go to these pullbacks. So-called pullback alerts over here. Okay, SY Group, IJM. Okay, welcome Tommy. Let's see any other new stocks. Okay, so far today, I will focus Renhill and ECMO. Okay, Renhill haven't completed the pullback yet. Okay, so that's why probably today I will go for ECMO first, then I will watch very closely on my Renhill. IGM also actually, MG also actually very nice, but capital limited. Sometimes I have to give up some. Cannot buy all. Cannot buy all. Okay, SY Group is okay. Resistance is a bit strong because of the high volume down bar, like a shooting star here. Okay, so sometimes when I see got this kind of strong resistance, probably I give up first. I will look for others. Okay, Hub Sing, wow, Hub Sing, damn nice. Hopseng, I remember we entered somewhere around here, but I cannot wash out. Too bad. Wow, if not now also 50% already. Okay. IJM, okay, this one riding in the nice trend. So TM, McLean coming back. McLean also kena cuci lah. Last week kena cuci. Okay, let's look into McLean lah. Sometimes kena cuci a bit sakit hati one lah. But this is stock market lah. Okay, looks like they do a 2 shakeout. Okay, this one still at the game. I feel still got show. I feel this one still got show. Normally you cannot cuci one got show one. Okay, but of course I'm not going to enter right now. Okay, this one first shakeout This one shakeout today is crucial. You have to push back to this level How much is this price 290. You have to push back to 290. Oh yeah, I like this from Cindy. Better be safe than sorry right now. Correct. At least I access more losses. The money still in my pocket. But sometimes when price drop badly, right? Especially like like a few years ago, the bearish market. Sometimes you're stuck, and you're stuck for months. Some even stuck for years. Now some people they share with me, some of my friends or some of my previous members, right? They share with me, oh yeah, finally this counter I make it back already after 1 year plus. The reverse back. Okay, sometimes this kind of thing happen. Again, this is stock market. Okay, now if I look into here, so far so good. Okay, if I ask me, so far so good. Okay, so well, yeah, let's see how it goes. If let's say today's close strongly, next few days, okay, maybe by this week there'll be test around 30 cents area. Okay, I think I will consider to re-enter again. Yes, we cannot win all. Overall, towards the end of the year, we see there's growth in our portfolio. Then that's it. That's our aim. Okay, we cannot really everyday notion, everyday chase CY. We cannot do that. Okay. I mean, I cannot do that. I'm not sure any others here can do that or not. Probably if you can, you share with me, okay, so that we can then. Okay, so there's McLean. Yeah, I think still other show. Okay, this one still other show. Okay, probably I will see how it goes by end of today. Technex, suddenly come up. Okay, this one, I think because of the reverse split or something. The candle behavior change. Now this one remind me of Icon. Normally they do this kind of stocks one something other operator like Icon also. Okay, Icon also. But Icon I got no patience. I still remember one of my friend told me Icon boleh goreng something, I think somewhere around here. Is it? Yeah, previously somewhere around here. You notice there is also like a COB patterns, right? Okay, like a COB patterns, right? Here it liquid and suddenly turns to liquid. Okay, I think I heard something somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, if I'm not mistaken. Quite some time ago. Okay. Then it gap that I thought, okay, it's game over already. I'm not interested, but they push it back very, very fast. And quite strong also, this one. Okay, so Technex a bit similar. I'm not sure whether they will have a similar movement or not, like Icon. Okay, but if you are those that who like exciting one, now it's doing pullback. Okay, now it's doing pullback. If you are those that who love exciting one, yeah, probably can watch out this one. Okay, Asia Poly this one. This one also doing a nice pullback. Okay, no weaknesses, going up slow and steady this one. Okay, but it's a below 20 cent counter Below 10 cent counter sounds a bit scary The other one I think is Insats. Okay, Insats doing shake up, but it failed. But I think still got other chance. Remind me to review later on. Okay, this one also 3A looks like pullback completes. This one GDB volume so far is not that high, but it's on the first trading hour only, right? So I think something interesting is going on. Okay, a very nice pullback patterns. Okay, Ramso also pullback, but today I think very close to resistance. Okay, Systec. Okay, Systec need patient. How is Systec already? Okay lah, boleh lah. Paragon, my news, Fiamma. Oh, Fiamma coming back. Oh yes. This is what's counted. Paragon, but Paragon a bit illiquid sometimes a bit. This one a bit similar to Systec Macam got something Okay, now here, shake out. Okay, and this shaker come with high volume This shaker come with high volume Okay, of course, near resistance, R2. Okay, so this 3 ringgit counters well. But if let's say I'm able to enter somewhere trading resistance to 4 ringgit, okay lah, still the 10%. Okay, still the 10%. So probably trade really within the range. Okay, now how about the FA? FA have to rely on my Fata already. Is it this one? Oh no. Analyzer. Okay. Hey, 7 out of 9. Okay, based on Petrosky F score. Alright, so 7 out of 9 actually is pretty good FA. Okay, so for those that probably want to do slightly long-term one, okay, let's go to weekly chart. Because I'm also looking for something for long-term also. Alright, holding on a 20 MA, like I said, this is a shakeout. Long-term uptrend. Okay, long-term uptrend. So let's say can break 40, I think it's a good return as well. Okay, but I'm looking for Malakoff also for my long-term. Okay, let's try Malakoff. I haven't checked the FA yet. Okay, Malakoff, nice pullback. I think last week I posted out. Okay, so this one around 20 MA already. Okay, if you notice on the left-hand side here, oh no, gap is somewhere around here. Okay, actually I forgot to follow. A good entry is supposed to be here, because here is a gap. Gap become resistance, right? This is one that actually break first pullback. Okay, actually the first pullback is a nice entry, but I forgot to follow. Then only I realized, okay, they jumped already. Okay, now next look into the 3 out of 9 only. Yeah, or maybe treat it as a trading for Malakoff. Okay, any others? Let's try back my pullback alerts here. BHIC. This is a COB patterns. Okay, COB patterns for those that who like exciting one. SY group, I think we've done already. MIEG. Hey, pullback completes. This one pullback completes. Okay, again, check if let's say you think risk reward is good for you, you don't mind of the risk that currently involved. I think this one good to pay attention to. Okay, this one pullback complete. So this one is currently almost 5%. Okay, if you think that boleh lah. If let's say I enter right now, drop my S1 5-6%, I boleh take it lah. You can consider. Okay, if not, probably you see whether it hit resistance, rejected, it will drop back around here or not. Okay, then here you can slowly look for opportunities. Okay, but so far I think it's good. Okay, so far I think it's good. Okay, the other one, this one kind of remind me of VS Tech. VS Tech macam COC lah. If you ask me, I think they are forming COC lah. Okay, S1 here, S2 here. Okay, you can watch out this level. S1 level is the best lah. Okay, hopefully they can hold. Right, so the other one is VS. Let's try VS and SKP Resources. Okay, this one jalan tapi I tengok lah. SKP Resources. Okay lah, still can. If you are looking for entry, again, watch out for hammer or low volume nearby. All right. So, okay, if let's say there's no other questions, probably we'll end our section here today. So once again, thank you for joining me. For those that who are here, appreciate if you can help me to hit the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out, if possible, in my next section. Join my Telegram channel. Okay, you know that we have a Telegram, very active normally. Okay, so if you think that you got things to share or probably want to learn some things, join our group. Okay, we have a discussion there. You can ask questions or maybe you can share opinion as well. Right, so with this, once again, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.